Here's something to think about whether you're a long-time homeowner or you're about to buy a house. It's the water quality that you'll be experiencing in your home for bathing, for drinking, for cooking, for all the uses you have for water. The quality of it is important. When you go to buy a home, if you're on a public water system, there's usually no requirement about the actual water itself being tested for contaminants of any kind. If you're buying a home that has a well, normally there is a requirement by mortgage companies or even within your contract that if it's well water, that here in Virginia, the seller normally provides you a test just showing that the water is free from bacteria and other substances. Depending on the type of financing you're getting, there may be a requirement that a test be done to show that there's no lead in the water if you have a well. And when people see that in the contract, a well inspection is to be provided for them. Sometimes there's confusion. Sometimes people take that to mean the actual well itself and the pump and all the components of it will be inspected and provided for the buyer. But that's not what it means here in our locale. It means the water itself will be tested. If you're buying a house that does not have a well but has a public water system, it's probably still a good idea to have that tested, or at least know, because we all know that not all public water supplies are great. And there's lots of home filtration systems. One of the best that I hear people talk about is a reverse osmosis system that you can have that can remove deep contaminants in the water, whether it's public or your own individual well. Looking online, I see there's activated carbon filters for taste and odor. There are UV filters for bacteria and ion exchange filters for hard water. You can find all this very easily online. And there's also companies that'll test your water. I did this not long ago myself, where I collected water samples at my home, sent them off to a laboratory, and got reports back just showing me what was in my water and whether or not a filtration system was needed. So just something to bring to your attention today, the idea of your water quality, very important for health purposes, and it's something that often gets overlooked. So a quick Google search will tell you all you need to know. Just bringing it to your attention today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.